JJC ND filter. This is an ND filter which is quite inexpensive. I bought it only for 1500 rupees. This is an 8-stop ND filter. First of all, with this video I have two goals, obviously besides unboxing this filter. First of all, what is an ND filter? An ND filter or a neutral density filter is a filter which allows you to do long exposure photography or in videography so that you can use a lower aperture and at the same time control your shutter speed. It is basically like sunglasses for your camera. This comes in a sturdy, waterproof case. Customary certificate and the filter itself. It's got an aluminum rim and this is how it rotates. It doesn't have hard stops at the end and at the beginning. If you would like to see how it functions, I don't know whether it will be noticeable indoors, but as soon as we go outdoors, it will be quite evident. I bought this filter is a 67 mm thread so that it fits onto my 10 to 18 mm Canon lens. Now the issue that can happen if you use a variable ND filter on a very wide angle lens is that you can have a X pattern kind of vignetting. So not only in this video I'm going to show you the effect of the ND filter, we are also going to check at the same time whether there is any vignetting. Okay, let's mount my 10 to 18 lens and let's go right outside and check out the effect this filter gives on the lens. Okay, we are outside, bright, hot afternoon sun. I'm sure you cannot see anything much. We are at ISO 100, aperture 4.5, 1/50th, shutter speed at 25 frames per second. Let us now put on the ND filter and see the effect. Already you can see an improvement in the picture. This is at the minimum level and I'm going to crank up the level of the ND filter gradually. 1 stop, 2 stop, 3 stop, 4 stop, 5 stop, 6 stop, 7 stop and 8 stop, and there we see the X pattern vignetting. I would like you to note that you will find vignetting, an X shaped vignetting at a very high level of ND. On this JJC ND filter, it begins at around 7 stop on the Canon 10 to 18 EFS. I hope this was helpful. Like, subscribe for more videos like this. Signing out.